Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Colera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today's video, we're going to check out the DR Horton. This is the Heartland Summit located at Tully Spring of North Las Vegas. And we are going to check out two of their luxury homes. This is the model home, 4425 two-story home, featuring 6 bedroom, 4 bath, and 3 car garage. Let's go check out the house, you guys. So welcome to 4425 plan. As soon as you get to the door, there is a video doorbell, a keyless entryway, and when you get inside the house, you will be greeted open layout area right here. This side here, this is the guest bathroom on the first floor. There is a coat closet lying underneath the stairs, you guys. Tons of space. Okay, far ahead, this is your open layout area, your modern kitchen right here, living room, and this side, on the right side, there is a in-law suite. I think this is the 3 car garage right here, but unfortunately it's locked. So there's another linen closet here outside. I'm gonna show you guys the in-law suite right here. This kitchen. Living room on this side. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to show you the bedroom for the in-law suite. Tons of space over here. And in this in-law suite, there is a bathroom with dual sink vanity. The shower area right here. And this is the walk-in closet. It's also a decent size. And in this in-law suite, there is a laundry area. By the way, in this house, the washer and dryer is not included. This is part of the upgrade. Okay, you guys, we're gonna check your modern kitchen. Just look at the amount of space over here in this open layout area. Love the massive island in the middle. And look at the backsplash. That is nice. Right here, this is the walk-in pantry. And also there is a built-in microwave right here. Built-in microwave and the oven right here. Love the countertops, love the backsplash. Just look at this hexagon with the hint of gold. It's very nice. And this is the hood. Love the hood. area right here is your dining area. Love this dining table. And right ahead, this is your living room. Very nice. It was well staged. And from here, you are overlooking at your backyard. Let's go check out your backyard before we go to the second floor. So, love this backyard, you guys. Tons of shaded area over here. By the way, this is part of the upgrade. But just look at the amount of space here that you can entertain your family and friends. Okay, you guys, let's go to the second floor and check the rest of the house. As soon as you land here, you will see the loft area. There's also tons of space to entertain on this side. Again, in this house, there's 6 bedrooms. This side right here is one of the bedroom. They're using it as an office. But there is a walk-in closet inside this room. It's a decent size. And next to it, there is a dual sink vanity with shower inside. Another bedroom over here with a walk-in closet. And primary bedroom. There's tons of space over here. And this is the walk-in closet. It's a large walk-in closet, tons of space. Now, let's go check your primary bath. Right here, it features dual sink vanity, separate tub, and the shower area here. Check this linen closet inside the bathroom. this side, this is your water closet. All in all, you guys, there's tons of space over here in this house. Right on this side, there is a laundry room. Again, the washer and dryer is not included. This is part of the option. Another bedroom over here with a walk-in closet inside. And this is another bedroom. Wow, just look at the rooms, the amount of space in each room in this house. And then there's another bathroom here with dual sink vanity and also tub and shower combo. Again, you guys, if you are interested of owning one of the home in the Horton, the Heartland Summit, this is the plan 4425, and the starting price is $791,000. You can reach out to me at 310-848-5693 if you are interested in owning one of these homes. I'll be happily to represent you. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, like, and share. And thank you for watching.